Father's Day, my role model, Article 9.
Children should not be separated from their parents unless it is for their own good. For example, if a parent is mistreated or neglecting a child, children whose parents have separated have the right to stay in contact with both parents unless this might harm the child.
I love my dad. He gives me lots of things. He brings pizza to the house for us to eat. Love, and I'm happy Father's Day.
My dad is my role model because although he lives in London, it always feels like he's right there with me. He will help anyone in a heartbeat and always puts others before himself. Love, Renee.
My dad supports me and loves me, and I love him. 2 years ago, I went to Aston Villa with my dad. He wakes me up early in the morning so I can get ready for school. He cooks me dinner. He does a lot of good things. From Dylan.
My mum is my role model because she built my robot, she looks after me, and that's it.
This is a picture of me and my father. He is very special to me and has taught me lots of things, one being making chapatis. He is my role model and I love him very much. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for him and his guidance. Love you, Dad.
My dad is my role model because he goes to work and makes money to support me. My dad and mom cook food for me together.
My dad is a role model because he goes to work and gets us nice things. My mum is also a role model because she helps me.
Me and my role model. My dad is my role model. My dad goes to his work to make some money. He takes a break on Saturday and Sunday. He works hard for you, us. So some days he takes us to the park and the shop. Love, Neil.
My dad is my role model because he looks after me and cares about my health. He also cooks our dinner to feed us and supports me. Jay.
This is me and my wonderful dad. He is always there if I need him. I admire his patience and calmness. He is a retired carpenter and has taught me many handy DIY tips. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Love you.
I love my dad because we paint together. Me and my dad spend every minute together. Me and my dad build stuff together. I love you, Patrick XXX.
My dad is my role model because he's sometimes so lovable and hilarious. He also puts on the light and sleeps tonight for Piper just like me. And you're welcome from Moana.
This is my lovely dad. He means the world to me. My dad is always there for me. He is one of the most loving, caring men I know. My dad has made me the person I am today. He is a retired welder. I love him very much.
Me and my dad, he helped me a lot with my homework. He was funny and happy and a very kind man. He took me to dreamland. I always love you, Dad.
Who will you celebrate Father's Day with, and who is your role model? Maybe you can talk about it in your class. Happy Father's Day!
Thank you for watching. Happy Father's Day from Room 6.